Bucky, Carolina Tractor Works, Carolina Excavation Works, LLC, Benson, South Carolina, on this clear, cool December day. We out here clearing up, working on my land, trying to get it cleaned up. It's going to be a little bit different type video coming to y'all today. So y'all sit back and enjoy the show. I'll try to talk and explain as much going on as possible. Here we go. Bobcat 763 with the grapple, picking up brush and stuff, trying to get the dirt out of it. New Holland skid steer, LS 180. Got a dirt bucket on it with teeth, digging up the vines and weeds and stuff, getting it cleaned up. Gonna try to zoom in. We done zoomed in on it. I'm gonna try to back off on since the 763 is working closer to me, but I may leave it just like that. No, you might hear me tell them what to do from time to time. We're working on the track hose, trying to get it situated and get it home. Hopefully it'll be a Vermeer CX254. It's identical to the Kubota KX161 model. Thomas running the New Holland, Andrew running the 763. Sorry if I'm a little shaky with it. I'm gonna try to get my tripod and camera and everything out here. Yeah, it's a little windy out here today. I hope the wind don't. I hope the wind don't interfere with the sound too bad. Hey, try to shake some of that dirt out of it. Sorry about that, have my finger in the way. Bucky, Carolina Tractor Works, Carolina Excavation Worx, LLC, Bennettsville, South Carolina. If y'all need any land clearing, landscaping, demolition work, septic tank installed, house pad built, building pad built, clean up around a abandoned building or a barn or something y'all want clean up, we clean up around ponds and everything. We'll clean up around creek, river, or whatever needs to be done. Whatever you got done, need done. We haul junk off, we haul trash, scrap metal, whatever you need hauled off, we can haul it, load it up. Y'all have a great day and be safe out there. It's Bucky, Carolina Excavation Worx, LLC. Y'all have a great day. Bye.